Open the boxes with your box cutter carefully to avoid scratching the finished panel surface. Neatly lay out all the parts and hardware and identify them using the parts list. We recommend placing finished panels on a towel to prevent accidentally scratching the surface during assembly. Locate the cabinet face frame and place it face down on your work surface. Use your drill and screws to attach the metal brackets at the top, middle, and bottom on each side of the face frame. Apply a thin layer of wood glue to all joint grooves on the back of the frame. Locate the left and right front side panels and insert them into the joint grooves of the frame. Be sure to align the grooves for the top and bottom panels before using your drill and screws to attach the metal brackets connecting the face frame to the side panels. Locate the top and bottom panels and insert them into the joint grooves of the frame and front side panels. Press firmly to eliminate any gaps and ensure a tight fit. Once properly aligned, use your drill and screws to attach the metal brackets connecting the top and bottom panels to the face frame and front side panels. Install the back right side panel with the side joint grooves toward the back of the cabinet box. Make sure all panels are correctly seated in the joint grooves and properly aligned before using your narrow crown gun to secure the back side panel to the front side panel. Note: we recommend always wearing safety glasses when using nail guns or other pneumatic tools. Locate your back center panel and slide it into the joint grooves of the top, bottom, and back side panel with the framed side facing up. Use your rubber mallet to ensure the panels are correctly seated and all gaps are eliminated. Then, install the back left side panel, aligning the side joint groove with the back panel. Make sure all panels are correctly seated in the joint grooves and properly aligned before using your narrow crown gun to secure them. Use your drill and screws to attach the metal brackets connecting the top and bottom panels to the back side panels. Locate the door front and place it face down on your work surface. Insert the hinges into the large pre-drilled holes on the back of the door and attach them with your drill and screws. Then attach the door to the cabinet face frame. Adjust the hinges to properly align the door to the desired position. Apply rubber bumpers to the inside corners of the door. Insert your shelf pins to the desired height and angle the shelf panels into place. Congratulations on completing your assembly.